In this video, you'll learn how to change the AI model in Perplexity AI. This process allows you to select different models for your queries, enhancing the specificity and depth of the responses you receive. Begin by navigating to the Perplexity AI interface. Once there, locate the main input area labeled Ask Anything. This is where you will type your query. Click directly into this text box to activate it. After clicking into the box, look for the Mode a Model drop-down menu. The label may vary, displaying options such as Best, Research, Deep Research, or Model Cancel. This drop-down allows you to choose from different AI models that influence how your question is processed. Click on the drop-down menu to reveal the list of available models or modes. You will see various options displayed. Carefully review these options and select the one that best fits your needs for the query you intend to ask. Once you have made your selection, you will notice that the drop-down reflects your choice. Now, you can proceed to type your question in the same input area. After entering your query, press the Enter key on your keyboard. At this point, your question will be processed using the model and mode you selected. Depending on the complexity of your query and the model chosen, the response may take a moment to generate. Be aware that different models may yield varying response times and depths of information. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.